See if I can do this one hand. I mean, no handed. Oh, shit.
Mine's better. Told you.
Oh, kick the ball over the fence again. It's crazy.
Right here. Both came to grab him.
Yeah. That's crazy.
It's my house.
How are we supposed to read it?
Well, like this.
It has a color.
You're not gonna.
I think that cat wants us like to follow or something. Yeah, but came that direction though when we were there.
Yes, it could have came, but it could have just came. So it could have gone from here to there and came this.
Whatever you want. Just 2 knots, that's it.
And it's 3.
Nah, that's so close. It has to be this.
Boy, I said one.
Literally nobody asked you, Junior.
Why don't you find it when you don't have to find it? What kind of edges look? See? Like this edge. Found it. Found one. Honestly, kill yourself, Junior.
This is scary.
What?
So we can't have a sleepover then?
Well, my mom's feeling really sick and she's really tired and she gets really gruely.
Why can we not like sleep upstairs though? Like we can just be quiet anyway. So I'm not even trying to play video games. So I'm just trying to watch on my phone and just stay quiet.
Don't touch it.
What if I do?
Huh?
Oh, you can touch that one.
My mom
Not that one.
me.
Oh, alright then.
Don't. Can I touch the tail?
Can we try to do it tomorrow then?
You can pet it. Sting?
Hello?
That one, don't really care.
Oh, my mom said no for tonight, but you can probably do it tomorrow.
What if I put it on the
I mean,
ground?
I don't
No.
know if my mom would say yes, but I'll try them.
No, why? Because.
No, joking.
No.
Alright,
No joke.
see ya.
Okay.
Kill
Jason,
yourself.
hey buddy. These are snapping turtles.
I fucking forgot. I petted it on the
Why is that so big?
That's what she said.
Okay,
No, I just really can't have.
we'll come but like sit down on the couch. It's only 4 of us.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I counted 5.
Is that beeping your watch?
Yes, it always does that. Alright, so put your alarm
great.
at 10.
10.
Because we're gonna leave at 10.
9:30.
10.
We're leaving at 10. Oh,
Wait, doesn't it start till 11 though?
Yeah,
So
but-
10:30.
What,
I
lunch?
feel.
10. Because we can get there and just play in the park for a bit.
Well, yeah, I guess.
Here, give me the Allens. You want me to
There
fix
you go.
yours?
That's
I can
good.
do it.